Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to open the hood of a Subaru Crosstrek. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever. This is usually located inside the cabin, on the driver's side, often near the kick panel or under the dashboard. Give that lever a firm pull towards you to release the initial latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the vehicle, indicating it's partially unlatched. Once the primary latch is released, head to the front of your Crosstrek. The hood will be slightly ajar, but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll be feeling for a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving, so it's an important safety feature. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Speaking of simple paths, here's a quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and investing. Check the description below for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your hand under the hood, locate that secondary safety latch. Depending on your specific Crosstrek model, you'll either push this lever to the side, usually towards the driver's side, or lift it upwards. Once you manipulate this latch, the hood will fully release and pop up a few inches. Now you can lift the hood completely open to access the engine bay. To keep the hood safely open while you work, look for the prop rod. This slender metal rod is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip it, and then insert the end of the rod into the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. Make sure it's firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing on you. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.